2008 GMC 3500 quad cab, long bed, 1 ton, dual rear wheel, GMC Sierra. This truck has been leveled and riding on metric size 33-inch tires that are brand new with 20-inch black and machined Mayhem wheels. Proper offset for the dually so the tires do not rub. This truck was a local Chester owned truck since brand new. Single owner truck. It was used for some work, so there's a little nicker ding here and there, but absolutely no rust, no cab corner rot. Does have a spray-in bed liner, and the few little marks that it has are so moderate you would never consider this a work truck. Duramax turbo diesel, fresh brakes and calipers, lots of service and maintenance. This particular previous owner was very picky with his trucks. Runs out 100%, freshly serviced, freshly inspected. Little edge wear on the seat right there. Looks like they had something covering up like a piece of tape. A few shadows and little light spots on the seat that would shampoo up, but you see the rockers, bottoms of the doors, very solid. This truck could still be used as a work truck, no bigger than it is. Wouldn't be a problem at all. 230K on the miles, $16,995. You can pause it right there if you wanted to read the features, description and details. But a very good, solid, good looking truck that's under 20 grand. That doesn't happen very often. It surely does not happen with a Duramax and an Allison transmission. It never happens with a one owner, locally owned, rust-free truck. So a lot of truck for the money. That's why we want to do this video. Most people have been asking, why is this price on this truck what it is? It's got to be a catch. But no, there is no catch. Most of these trucks have a serious problem with rust. As you can see, this one does not. And the equipment we added is brand new. The alignment's been done. Everything is like it's supposed to be. If you have any questions, give us a call. Reach out anytime or jump on the website. Be happy to help. Thank you.